Well, we're fixing today. Today, again, as you can tell by the scenery, we are at the cottage. I am going to try to fix something that's been bugging me forever. This building was put up here, well, it was put here in, I think, the mid-80s, 90 maybe, ish, don't know exactly when. But it's a pre-built, factory-built house. Came in two sections on semis, was brought in and craned over the foundation. It's great. Everything's fine, ish. One thing that's been bugging me since day one, you can tell this was built by people in a factory and not a seasoned carpenter or roofer or whatever. One of the things that's been bugging me is that the gutters don't actually work, which seems to be a problem. Let me show you. So if you want to know why I'm doing this, here's my drip edge. It comes back and it comes right, the water comes down, it gets sucked back under here with capillary action, and it goes down there. And we dump some water on it, you can see it. All this water comes out the bottom and it's going against the fascia, it's leaking on our heads, and it's, in a rainstorm, it's really annoying. There's more water headed in the back than there is in the gutter. That's what I need to fix. We're going to try to put this in. Now let me show you. I put 4 of these up last year, but 2 of them blew away. Probably, in the neighbor's yard or something. This is the profile I went with. It's normally bent straighter here. I gave it a little tweak, but if you look at the edge of this drip edge here, you can see that it comes around, stops, and then go back uphill. So it's going to drip off of here instead of here. It just keeps going, wicks back, and then drops down in here. So let's figure out how I can do this. In order to get this to work, well, doing it one-handed is going to be a problem. Let me show you what I plan on doing. Picking up this and stuffing that in there like that, but getting that in all the way along. And then I'm going to put a nail or a screw or something in here. I'll start with a nail. I know it's not a great thing to put nails into the top of the roof like this. Maybe I can kind of, now it's pretty glued down. So I'm just going to get this, how far do I got? Quite a bit. I'm going to get this kind of where it needs to be, and it's going to get a nail. Right? See, I got that much space up. It's going to get a nail right there. Yep, and I thought so. So it goes right down in through and it just hits the other tin. But for now, that'll kind of hold it. And I'm going to have to go over there. Okay, I know it's going to be hard to hear me, but I'm going to try to sneak this in here. There we go. I'll put a screw into that nail hole. Okay. I'm going about every other one, every other shingle. Yeah, it even works out. All right. I'm going to put on more if this works, but for now, make sure it works. Now what happens when I dump some water on here? Nothing? Yeah, lots of water, and if it rains hard, everything's gonna be wet anyway. It's just gonna spray out. Over here, where there's no thing, it works just as well. So, I think that's a success. For now, I only have enough stuff to cover a small area, but if it works, it stays on over the winter, I'll come back next year with more. So, what do you think about my solution? Give me some comments down below. We'll see if that works. I want to make sure that this doesn't get all rotten here. Look how bad it is already, just from all the water that's in here. Bunch of mold, bunch of gunk, bunch of beat up wood. So it's only going to cover now from where the ramp is. Of course, I got the ramp behind me. I got to move it out of the way, past the door. So that's the part that makes you really mad when it rains and you try to walk out the door and it's just pouring on your head. So that's my video for today. Hope it helped you out. If it did, give me a like. Likes are good. Subscribers are always welcome. If I can get to 1,000, that'd be fine. Tell your friends, tell your enemies. Click the subscribe button. I'm always good for a laugh.
No, 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 no.
If you want to see different kind of content, let me know. I know this isn't Tasmota, this isn't Home Assistant, but I'm at the cottage and there's no internet here, and there's no Amber, there's no Blue, there's no NAS, there's a couple of laptops which aren't hooked to anything. So only thing I got is my phone and 30 gigs of upload. Then I'm done. So if I if you don't see any when I stop doing videos in the next after another week or so, you know it's because I ran out of upload or I'm at home again. So hey, life is fun. So give you another look at the scenery and the traffic noise. During the week it's a lot of trucks. The weekend it's a lot of cars with boats. It's a state highway. What are you gonna do? That being said, thanks for watching. See you in the gutters next time.